Hello everyone. This is a short video just letting you see exactly how you would go about booking your session with Tailored Tutor Language Services. As you can see, I am on the website www.tailoredtutorlangs.com, and what I'm going to do is scroll all the way down to this schedule that we have here. You can do the contact us where you'll send an email out and it can be answered there. But if you actually want to go ahead and book your session, we would go here to whichever you're looking for as a group session. If you're getting a package of sessions, if you're getting a free consultation or a 30-minute or 60-minute session, you would choose one of those there. What I'm going to do for sake of example is choose the free consultation here. I'm going to click the arrow. And right now it says it's retrieving available time slots. It shows the time zone. I'm in the Eastern time zone. So whatever your time zone is, make sure you choose the correct time zone. And we're going to go with today's January 2nd. No, today's January 1st. Let's go with January 2nd. I'm going to go for 9 a.m. And that's making sure that's correct time zone as well. Click continue. And now is where I will enter my information. My name, my email address, and then I would have to actually put my email address there again to confirm. Company, my phone, don't necessarily have to put that there, but I am going to put my phone number. Okay, any notes that I have here. I need to learn Spanish, and I really want to be able to speak with my daughter-in-law. She's from Mexico. So that's the note, and I'm going to press done here. And it's finalizing, and my booking is confirmed. An email confirmation has been sent to the email that I placed there. I actually just received the email about my meeting, and it's booked. The only difference is when you are confirming your 30-minute session or your hour-long session, or you're getting a package, payment does have to be made in order to book on this site, as well as the other alternative, which I'll be making a different video for that. And that is how you would book on tailoredtutorlangs.com. If you have any questions or concerns, please visit our website or contact us at our contact number. Thank you, and have a great day.